Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have a beautiful red snapper fish with me today, about 650 gram maybe. I'm going to steam it and with some homemade fried ginger oil. Yeah. So first of all, let's prep the fish, clean the fish kidney, then make few slits on the fish body, put few pieces of ginger and sprinkle it with a little bit of fine salt. Then I'm going to show you how to make the fried ginger oil later. Of course, you don't really need this much. I always make extra so that I can keep it inside a jar where I can use it for some other days. So first we're going to give it some vegetable oil. Since we are also making ginger oil, so we will put in quite a bit of oil today. Or add more oil if this is not sufficient. No need to wait until it is hot. You can already put in the chopped ginger. I use a blender or chopper to chop the ginger. Quite a big piece of ginger here. And I try not to add water in the blender. I just add oil so that it is not too, I don't want too much liquid here. So let's slowly bring up the heat and we're going to slowly fry the ginger until golden in color. As you can see from here, I have added a bit more oil here so that all the oil can fully cover the ginger. And I have also put in the fish into my steamer. So it will take about 10 minutes for the fish while we slowly make the ginger oil. This is coming to about 17 minutes because I cook a lot of ginger just now. So you can see the color has turned browny. Yeah. So our ginger oil is ready to be used. Even after I turn off the fire, you will still continue frying the ginger because of the residual heat. Alright, here's my steamed fish. I just taken out from my steamer and I remove the fishy water. Yeah, throw away the fishy water. That is the source of fishiness. And I also remove the ginger. Then here I have some hot water mixed with a little bit, about 2 tablespoons of premium light soy sauce. That will be our beautiful steamed fish sauce today. Next thing, of course, it will be our fried ginger. If you want to mix it with some fried garlic, by all means, go ahead. So I hope you like my very simple steamed fish video today. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Of course, for all the remaining ginger oil, find yourself a jar, put it in. Once it is it has cooled off, then only you put it inside your fridge to keep it. Actually, if you you can put it in the room temperature also if you want.